No, I prefer Lordship's leave to mention the item number 40 of Lordship's days.
Item number
40, 40. Now,
yes.
now, there was an appeal which arises out of the parent order that has been thrashed. But since this has been lowered down in the list, it may be possible, since we are hit by 3:30 today. Only prayer what I am on, subject to sanction of Lordship, can it be posted to be mentioned next week? And on the next up,
What happened to the appeal?
oh, it dismissed.
Been dismissed.
Dismissed. This was put on test and it was dismissed.
Wanted us to be mentioned, Mr.
And now the regulation has to be confirmed. They have to pay with the salaries we have won after so many days. And nothing remains.
Let us see. Let's do report.
Can you? Otherwise, I would not have pressed.
No, everybody has some sort of urgency or the
Well,
other.
2014, this
See the matter, they all
2000, this
very important.
already won. Therefore, nothing remains.
Good.
But
Congratulations for your victory.
the difficulties is generally Lordship takes up matters in the Friday, and we are generally being hit by 3:30 on Friday. Only 2 minutes. Only 2 minutes. Thereafter, dismiss my matter.
No, Mr. It might get called today.
If it is being taken up today, no issue. But
Let's see. I might be able to call. You see, I'm following this practice. I make a first call. If one of the parties appears, that matter will get precedence in the second call. So you appear in the first.
let me wait till 3:30. At least give me the chance to re-mention once again. Great.
May I have your Lordship's kind leave, my lord? May I have your Lordship's kind leave to mention item number 29 and 30? Why I am mentioning before your Lordship, my lord, on the last occasion, when the matter was taken up, it was on our behalf, it was prayed that the contemners have changed. Leave may be granted to add, my lord. Subject to correction, your Lordship granted leave, but added one line, my lord, that the department will amend the cost title. My lord, subject to correction in appellate side, my lord, normally we do it. When we talk to the department, they are saying that then you have to file an application. So who are the persons to be added? I cannot give it in just a piece of paper. So my lord, if your Lordship grant leave, we can do the amend the cost title, add the new incumbent and serve. This is the other. That is why we could not do this, my lord, because
29 and 30.
30. My lord, I have talked to you about this with your Lordship's officer also. It is written department.
You see, on the original side, what happens is it has to go.
Yes,
to
my lord. But in
it
appellate,
has to be.
Yes, my lord.
But I find here a lot of these things are done by hand with an
Yes, my lord.
endorsement by the concerned advocate.
So what, my lord? We are not being.
Just let me call the list.
My
As
lord.
I said, first call. If you give your attendance or presence, you get some precedence. In the
May I be permitted to mention one contempt application?
Isn't he senior to you? Huh? Maintain some decorum. It will be easier. In the contempt.
What are the existence of the interim order? License has been granted to a person, to another person, and allotment has been made, and that will be taking money as an existing.
This is that ration card thing.
Yes, that's right.
I'll release it because I'm taking up the main matter. The appeal I'm taking up.
Contempt, but regular having.
Yes, but you see that interim order stands modified pursuant to our order of which I'm a part. The MR dealers. Yes. All matters we want to mention for inclusion.
Inclusion, new content.
Please give the slip. Seventh of June. We were on 27th of June. So No, but I am not fixing any matter, madam. 120, take your chance in the first call. If you appear, we'll give you some precedence in the second call.
My lord, I have mentioned one contempt application. It pertains to, my lord, one order passed by the Honorable Justice Shekhar Sharaf, my lord. His lordship was passed the orders in sitting in circuit bench at Jalpaiguri, my lord. That is what I want to mention. It will be taken up here, subject to correction, my lord.
No, do I have the determination to
Yes,
take
my
up
lord.
the matter?
Yes, my lord.
So what do you want?
My lord, I am just indicating that only.
No, that's fine. First call to করে দাও যারা যারা appeal করছে second call এ
For the applicant, my lord, the item, the matter had already been disposed of on 17th December 2024. Do not know why it is coming in the list. Let it go out of the list. It has been already disposed of by Justice.
but why is
Honorable
has to be
Justice.
mentioned?
I have.
Yeah. By the order of 17th December 2024, TPAN 77 of 2020 has already been disposed of, recording compliance of the order of 27th August 2019. Stop. Next, hence, let this matter go out of the list.
Grateful.
Yes.
And I am for the applicant.
Just call করে যাও, first call to just করে যাও.
3, 4, 5, 6,
9.
7,
It's not.
8,
9.
9, 10,
9, both of us are here.
10.
9,
No,
9, both of us are. ওই কি হবে এখন?
second call.
Second. না 9.
11, 12,
But in appeal,
Second call. I'll just see what the
এটা কত?
13,
মানে না 12 তো 12 kindly make it not today.
not today.
I am for the petition. Petition.
only
It's not possible.
Sorry.
Possible.
Yes.
15, 16, 17,
17.
18, 19, 20,
And I am for the petitioner. 20.
21, 22,
22, I prefer a not today, my lord.
Not today.
23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28,
28 I am praying for not today.
Not today.
29,
29 I am for the petitioner. I have not served, so there is no others
here.
responding because I have not served.
They're here.
First time.
29 and 30 both.
30 both, my lord, the incumbent has changed. On the last occasion, lordship directed
এই
department.
ফাইলটা একবার দাও।
আচ্ছা এগিয়ে তুমি
কি লিভ ইজ গ্রান্টেড বললেই হয়ে যাবে।
জিজ্ঞেস করে
due to some technical deficiencies, the order of 17 June 2025 could not be complied. Stop. Leave is granted to the learned advocate for the applicant to implead the present incumbent as a party respondent of the proceedings. Stop. আর কি দরকার 29 আর 30 দুটোতেই হবে একটু জাস্ট নাম্বার গুলো দেখে নেবেন
My lord, I will add and I will serve, my lord. My lord, I will add and
We are
thereafter
at the-
serve.
what is the stage of the application?
My lord, application is, my lord, it has once been similar other matters were taken up and they have been appointed. My matter could not be taken up. Now, my lord, in the meantime, the two contemners have retired, my lord, and changed. So, my lord, we will add
No,
the new
what is the stage? Has it been heard previously?
No, my lord. No, my lord. Rule not yet.
So let me hear, then you serve.
Yes.
Do you want to serve and come back?
No, no. Since they are appearing, my lord, that is.
You are appearing? আচ্ছা তাহলে ওখানে দিয়ে দিন a copy of the application after impleadment of the present incumbent may be served on such alleged contemners. Stop. Let the matter appear in the list for further consideration on.
Any day subject to your lordship.
No, how long will you take to
My lord, if I add tomorrow, I can serve, my lord. It is only in Salt Lake.
Salt Lake? So let it appear on Monday.
my lord any day except Monday.
Huh?
Except Monday, my lord.
Next Friday,
Grateful, my lord.
which is let the matter appear in the list on July 18, 2025.
My lord, deeply operated. My lord, 29 and 30
Yeah,
same.
29.
Deeply operated.
এবার এবারে সেকেন্ড কলে ফিরে যাও 2 থেকে 2 মার্ক করে রেখেছো কোন কোনগুলো অপিয়ার করেছে আমি মার্ক করে রেখেছি 2 আইটেম 2 4 করো কল
My lord, I am for the applicant.
yes
My lord, this contempt application has been filed, my lord, for deliberate violation of a judgment and order dated 16 July 2019.
16
July 2019, my lord, which is
Yes.
at page 15 of the contempt application. By this judgment and order, my lord, the Union of India was directed to release the pension in favor of the applicants, my lord, under the Freedom Fighters Pension Scheme, my lord.
have you served
I have served, they appeared, my lord, your lordship kindly consider, my lord, the last order
yes
dated 28th February 2025.
yes
There was a direction, my lord, kindly consider the third
to
paragraph.
file a compliance report
Yes, they have not filed, my lord. Yesterday, my lord, I informed,
did you serve a copy of this order
my lord, this was, my lord,
I know it was passed in their presence
in
but
their presence, my lord. I can once again serve and, my lord, I can give a notice, my lord. Yesterday, I informed, my lord, the learned advocate on record.
I have responded to your lordship. In this case, your lordship, Mrs. Chandri Alam is appearing. I have informed her, your lordship, this case was supposed to appear on 4th July, Your Lordship. So she was available on that day, but unfortunately her husband is going through the dialysis. So she is in the hospital, sir, Your Lordship. And we have also filed the appeal, Your Lordship, with regard to these cases.
My lord, it was dismissed for default in 2018.
We have
No restoration application. I have not been served.
I will serve them.
Oh,
Just-
she said it's been restored.
My lord, as on date, I have not received any application.
I will give it today itself.
2018 appeal was dismissed. I have not received it. They have not taken any steps for the last 5 years to list this matter before any division bench.
Lordship, this is a change to brief. Lordship, there are so many difficulties.
Your Union of India, what do you mean changed brief?
For
I'll keep it on next Friday, but madam, you are supposed to file the compliance report. File the compliance report. You mention whatever you have to appeal, restoration, whatever you need to mention, but you file a compliance report.
Yes, Your Lordship. Next Friday, my lord, kind of fix it.
Order diche mere kache.
Great.
I'm not passing any order, Mr. Mukherjee, but it's
Great.
understood. 4.
My lord, my application, my lord. One last occasion, lordship, be kind recollect, my lord. Lordship dictated them to ask for a report, specifically on the point that after the passing of the solemn order, how they have freezed my account. That was the whole contention of the contempt, my lord. If my lord kindly come to page 30, my lord find on 7th February 2013, my lord, the order was passed, my lord, and specifically it was written, my lord, that for the ends of justice, respondent shall maintain status quo as obtained today till Commissioner of Income Tax passes any order. Now, my lord, prior
Yes, Mr. Rajchandran.
Regarding this matter, an order was passed on 7th of April, no doubt. That is in page 29 of the constitution. What happens? Second petition or in the petition, bank was not the party at all. How can I prove it? Well, the first was that you might can understand. Well, kindly come to page 3. Rather, it starts with page 2. The petitioner is NPS denied. Then, the persons are assistant commissioner, deputy commissioner, joint commissioner, commissioner income tax, union of India. These are the main 6 parties in the writ petition. But any cost, bank is not a party. Now the question is, when this order was passed on 7th of February, prior to that, we passed an order prior to that. That is
I know, I remember that. I remember you had argued, but you were, the direction was for you to come with further instructions in the matter. What are the further instructions?
further instruction, Malak, the amount which was given to us by the
That notice not being stayed, you had no duty not to debit the account. So in the usual course, you debited the account. I followed,
this
but
is number 1, and number 2, on the basis of if any instruction given by the income tax authority, the so-called 5-6 banks, rather Axis
You
Bank
have
and
to.
ICICI Bank,
you're mandated to debit.
and we passed that order, Malak, in my affidavit, we have given that this particular instruction was given.
Mr.
prior to the
Chatterjee,
order
did you
24th of
inform the bank of this order?
regarding, yes, my lord, it is already annexed in the
No. Did you inform the bank at the material time in February 2013?
no, my lord. The order,
Bank was not a party to the.
not a home, but we have already completed the order. We have already informed the bank regarding the order.
Well, show me that date.
My lord, kind. My lord, it come to page 38 onwards. 38 onwards. All the banks.
Kindly
No. By that time, the debit has already occurred.
Number 1. Number 2, my lord, kindly see the order dated. The date of letter is 13th of April, and it was shown in the page 39 that this particular letter was posted on 13th February. Then my lord, the tag report is something different tag report, but it was reached not before 22nd.
Where do I find that
I'll kindly see the page 40.
page?
Page 40, the tag result for 718, the top 718. I'll kindly see the tag report EW is 773.
Mr.
Different tag.
Chatterjee,
I cannot change the record, my lord.
tell me what should I do?
Lordship allows me,
2 points. One is bank was informed later on,
When was the debit made, Mr. Rajat?
11th of February. 13th of February he wrote this letter, then he sent it on 13th February.
No, let us assume you received on 13th February. Even then, it's the debit occurred prior to.
And that was acted on the basis of a notice
By the
that is 24th of January of income tax authority.
my lord,
yes,
on order was passed on 7th February.
correct.
Contempt was a party there too, my lord.
No. These for the bank.
No. This is the contempt income tax.
And the income tax authority. Bank is not a party at all.
No. You see,
Income-
income tax had given the intimation to the bank on 24th of January. This 24th of January
After
notice,
challenging that, I preferred a repetition.
correct, but that
Order
had
was-
not been stayed. The 24th January intimation notice had not been stayed.
Status quo is there, my lord. Status quo is there, my lord. Kindly appreciate, my lord, page
So
29.
status quo means what? You act on top of the
Stat-
notice.
No, for the ends of justice, respondent shall maintain status quo.
So status quo means what? Act on the notice.
And kindly see the prayer which he annexed in page 10.
Page 10 of
Page
the
10 of the
contempt.
contempt petition. And there are 2
Yes.
the read of and or direction order in the nature of mandamus commanding the respondent. Put with, withdraw, recall, cancel, assign, say refusal of respondent number 1.
This was not passed. And what was the debit for the purpose of? Area taxes.
It was basically, my lord, we have passed an order under section 226(3), that is on 24th of January. My lord, that was in
Where
my-
do I find that notice of 24th of January?
I'm saying, my lord, that is in page, compliance report, page 21.
Compliance report.
Page 21. It starts from page 20. That.
Compliance report also. এটা তো liquidation है।
Page 20. Page 20, my lord, kindly see. Notice under section 226(3) of the Income Tax Act 1961 given to the branch manager Axis Bank. Then my lord, next page, Axis Bank, Agutala. Previously, this is Kudiram, Durgapur branch, Axis. This is Axis Bank, Tinshukia branch. This, on the basis of this notice, then
They waited the day when the order was passed. Just after that, my lord, they did it. If this is not a contempt, I this I leave it also, my lord.
even the copy of this letter was also given.
You ought to have informed the bank. Since this notice was not stayed, bank was under no obligation not to debit. Or had there been a specific order on them that do not act in terms of the notice of this
Is that
24th of
May
January.
I pray for one indulgence, my lord? Let me take instruction from the client whether they have at all served any notice prior to that notice which I have annexed here. If
I'll give you the time, Mr. Chatterjee, but I still don't think it will help you.
no, I don't think so.
Had this notice been stayed, the case would have been completely different. come back. When do you want to come back? Tell me.
Next week.
Next Friday?
Prayer is something different and bank is not a party. The grievance is absolutely against income tax.
Status quo is. Yes, next Friday, 18th.
One like speaking order is necessary for us. Very important.
I was hoping you wouldn't say that. Parties are represented. Mr. Chatterjee, appearing for the applicant, seeks an adjournment for the day, to enable him to take instructions from his client regarding service of the order of February 7, 2013 on the bank. Stop. Let the matter appear in the list for further consideration on July 18, 2025. Next. Yeah, क्यों नहीं? Appear করবে first করে। হয়ে গেছে স্যার, next call করো, কেউ নেই যখন।
I am for the petition, my lord, did by mistake.
The order has been complied with. The market had
Last occasion,
to explain the detail,
yes, my lord.
but to that extent, we are fine.
Compliance report has been filed, Mr. Bandyopadhyay.
So this is, we had intimated to your lordship on that, but this contains the compliance.
But did copy be served and come back on the next day? my lord?
What?
The compliance report, my lord.
Take it.
The affidavit, my lord.
No, it is
Explain.
instruction that is not compliant with different thing. It is very.
Tell me what are the grounds, Mr. Bandyopadhyay?
But your lordship will find any contempt application.
No, what are you challenging? You're not challenging the.
No, my
You're not challenging the fact that it's been released.
yes.
Yes, Mane?
My lord, the order was passed in 2013, my
Arey
lord.
Baba, পেয়েছো না পাইনি?
No, my lord. The area portion, my lord, I have to take instruction whether the area.
Why he has not taken instruction? He is supposed to come with
No, my
instruction.
lord. The fixation has been given, but the area, so that
That's
the
why
area
it was
portion,
kept
my lord.
today. Ashun,
Let it be taken in the next week, my lord.
109 has been
release.
I have to take instruction whether the area has been deposited or not.
better building just for the sake of it being building.
My lord, it was, the order was passed in 2013.
If you make a statement, I accept it that we have not paid. I'll go back to my officers and take instruction.
Come back on the next date, my lord.
Mr. Bandyopadhyay, learned senior standing counsel, files an affidavit on behalf of the alleged contemner, seeking to explain the delay in complying with the order of October 3rd, 2030. Stop. Counsel for the petitioner seeks time to take instruction as to whether the order in its entirety has been complied. Stop. Next, list this matter for further consideration on July 18, 2025. Oh, sorry, ওটা একটা লিখে দেবেন. The affidavit of compliance is kept on record. ওই যেটা ওপরে বললাম না, files in, such affidavit is kept on record.
Or else keeping it under control.
No, week, next Friday. All subject to Mr. Bandyopadhyay, me sitting, because
Like, did a copy be served after?
Yes, yes.
ঠিক আছে।
Get
9. Taco. 9, 9. যারা ফার্স্ট কলে অ্যাপিয়ার করেছে কেউ খেয়াল রাখছো না। You'll have to wait for the third call.
But I pay for the alleged contempt now. Copy it.
Yes.
Well, there were 3 contempts. 2 have been complied and done and dusted.
This one,
Third remains. This
not
one,
done and dusted.
No. Done and da. STD remains. I tell your lordship.
Yes.
But I tell you, kindly seize the last order passed by your lordship on 2nd of May. Look, Mr. Conductor. यही तो. तो शेयर कैसे हो? हाँ?
Yes.
No, my lord, not looking that. No, this is the compliance report.
Complied.
I tell your lordship. Can you take this once?
Tell me, complied or not?
But I tell your lordship. Lordship need not trouble yourself.
Suspicion means
No,
not
no,
complied.
I'll tell you, Lord. After your lordship's order, lordship has seen we are written on the 2nd of May, same date your lordship's order. Now, the college concerned writes back to us of annex on 9th of June, giving the calculation of the arrears. After 2nd May, 9th of June. Immediately thereafter, my lord of annex, we have sent it to the higher education department because this is director of technical education, higher education department. That letter is also annexed. And we have made the statement that the moment the higher education department releases, it will be paid. Now, after this has been filed, the latest instruction which I have received today is an addition to this, which says that since it is more than 10 lakhs and everything, the financial more than 10 lakhs, a particular amount of financial from the government is required. That has been also been obtained. So, my lord, it will come back to us. We'll disburse it. That is what remains.
Then, Mr. Bihani, keep this with you
I thought so.
and file
I'll
it
add
on the
that and
next
file.
day.
But since this is lordship's direction,
বাড়ি চলে গেছেন 3:30 2:30 বাড়ি চলে গেছে ওরা। ফেরত দিয়ে দাও।
এটা written নিয়ে fill করা আছে।
এটা নো কিছু অর্ডার আর দিচ্ছি নেক্সট ফ্রাইডে
করবে তো?
নেক্সট ফ্রাইডে
Well, next, I tell you, lordship, but I spoke to my learned friend also. But I would have liked to come back after
last
the-
time somebody had their glasses on their head.
Its difficulty is I can't
So use a progressive lens. Spend some money, buy one progressive lens.
But may I ask a question to myself apropos this?
No, go out and ask questions to yourself.
Very well. But I would have liked to file this compliance after the amount is released. Otherwise, I will make this statement again have to come.
Tell me how much time.
But at least 4 weeks.
4 weeks.
Yes, I'll tell you, lordship. He knows it. He will not about. I'll tell you, lordship, why. After this seal is made, it has to come back to us. Then I will disburse it.
No, one difficulty is
Very
this.
difficult.
No, এখানে না. Another matter out of the same parent writ petition, this 868 is not figuring in the lordship's list today.
But in নামগুলো তো 14 জনের ভেতরেই আছে।
না, এটা তো আরেকটা প্রভাব।
এটা আবার কোন বাজারে?
এটা তুমি আছো। এটা সেম একটা ম্যাটারে দুটো ভাগ হয়ে গেছে।
But
There were 2 contempts arising out of the same writ petition. First filed with 40 and second batch filed with
That's
5.
not in the list, Mr.
Yes, today it's not figuring in the list. Lordship has passed order in both these.
এই তো প্রভাব। But in the list I have given, I think this
Okay,
repetition
না,
is included.
এইটাতে
আরে তোর নাম তো প্রভাব।
আমার নাম
এই তো included রাখিস তো।
Item number?
এই তো 3. No. This petitioner's name is in the list which I am trying to disburse. এই দেখ। Serial number 3 প্রভাত রায়, এটাই তো। Name is there.
So, Mr. Banerjee,
But,
you give that number, it will appear in the list.
Yes, but
But in the meantime, this thing will go through because his name is there.
Tell me, Mr. Bihani, when do I keep it? See, the difficulty is since I don't sit
I
regularly.
understand. But
Today we are on the
lordship has
11th.
seen this after 2nd of May, right by college comes back to on 9th of June. So this takes time.
even it's 9th, it's already 1 month has passed.
You keep it on the 11th of August,
I got it.
subject to, me sitting.
But in the meantime, if it goes through to them, their purpose will be served.
No, if I sit on the 7th or 8th, then,
I'll come back on that day.
but so
Hey,
that's
number
understood. I'm not
Absolutely.
recording.
Say number 2.
Thank you.
Lordship is posting it on
11th.
Since he says 4 weeks, 11th August,
I'll get it ready before that. The compliance report.
if you can.
Absolutely.
ওই নাম্বারটা
Item 11.
ওইটা যাবে তাহলে ঠিক আছে না কিন্তু এটা না আসলে ডিসপোজাল হবে না।
You run the code, let me wait for you. You do all that you want to do. What is this? No, I don't want your help. 11, 13, 14. Yes.
Alleged contender, my lord. Against the order, my lord, appeal was preferred and the
Appeal
order will be
dismissed.
dismissed, set aside the order.
Oh, order's been set aside.
Yes, kindly.
ফাইলটা একবার দাও। আসুন। The contempt was alleged of the directions contained in the order dated July 17, 2015. Stop. Next. None appears for the petitioner even in the second call. Stop. Next. Learned advocate for the alleged contemner produces an order of June 9, 2025, comma, passed by an honorable division bench of this honorable court, comma, setting aside the order of July 17, 2015, comma, and consequential dismissal of the writ petition. Stop. Next. In view of such order of June 9, 2025, comma, nothing remains in the contempt petition and the same is dismissed. Stop. There shall, however, be no order as to costs. Let the order of 9 June 2025 be kept in the record. There shall, however, be no order as to costs. Urgent photostat certified copy. Yes. 13, 14, 17.
My lord, I am for the contempt.
I am for the petitioner.
My lord,
Order has not been complied with, my lord. There was a direction for demolition. My lord, the municipality,
the notice was issued for evacuation as well as demolition. And the moment due to rainy season, they prayed for at least 10 days time for shifting, and they will
These were the private respondents in the.
private respondent. Sudev Sarkar.
Nobody is appearing.
no, this is
No, this
is
contempt
contempt
I
application.
know, but
in the writ petition they
they
appeared.
appeared.
Yes.
Yes, my lord, they have appeared. That 31st, they have prayed for evacuation and demolition. They will own demolition at their cost.
Evacuate them. Evacuate them.
They prayed for, due to rainy season, they could not be able
My
to
lord, order was, my
evacuate.
lord, 2012.
The
now
demolition order
2025.
was, the notice was served upon them for demolition. The moment they have filed one request, humble request before the chairman to stall for few days for evacuation.
So has the chairman given that time for a few
No,
days?
no. Furthermore, one application, I do not know the contents of the application, one CO number 1184 of 2024 has been filed before this honorable court.
By
The date of, my lord, I do not know. The honorable
My lord, that
justice
has been dismissed for default.
Hiranmoy Bhattacharya fixed the date for hearing on 22/7/25
22?
this month, 22nd of this
No,
month.
he's saying that has been dismissed.
Yes, kindly.
No. This,
Who has filed it?
My lord,
it is
the
the
private respondent.
respondents.
Sudev Sarkar. I think that they have. I do not know. The letter is sent by the learned advocate there, Swastika Shaha, on 8/7/25, stating that the date for hearing of that very petition, that CO,
number?
CO.
Number?
1184.
Yes, that has been dismissed.
Perhaps it is restored. Otherwise, how it is
No, my lord,
possible for
I don't have any information because it has been, my lord,
22/7
collected from the website of the High Court. My lord.
22/7/2025 for hearing of this. My lord, may I ask, this has been come from the Swastika Mukherjee on
My lord,
Yes,
junior to Mr. Sabyasachi Mukherjee.
my lord, until unless my lord stay is there, my lord, the municipality
Court
should
number, room number
proceed with the my lord
16.
order, my lord.
No, but you see, if I don't know what the CO is all about.
My lord, I do not know.
You also don't know.
My
No.
lord, it is within
But
my
it has
knowledge.
been served to you.
Yesterday, perhaps, sir, I could not be able to go there, my lord.
Are you a party there?
No,
Maybe, may not be. It cannot be predicted from here, my lord, unless it is seen. My lord, may ask Mr. Sobhosati Mukherjee,
So why should I ask?
Mukherjee,
the
the
contempt
junior
proceeding.
I ask.
or their contact, my
Keep it
lord.
after 22nd.
22nd, my lord, keep it on
Since that
22nd.
matter's been
22nd, after 20, if it is not in within 22nd, it is not
Please
taken.
inform the concerned court that there's a contempt pending and they are
Yes,
taking
ma'am.
time to
Yes, ma'am.
install the demolition.
Yes, ma'am.
এটা ফেরত দিয়ে দাও।
এটা আমাকে দে না। ওটা একটা
এটা ফেরত
ইয়ে করে দাও, মোবাইলটা
এটা-
পাঠিয়ে দে, আমি municipality পাঠিয়ে দিই।
When do you want to come back? 30th of July? If I do say that. 30th, but 1st August. 1st August Friday. 1st August.
Matter will appear fast.
Oh, passport.
1st August.
Team number 12, my lord, I was not, they have
Oh, they've taken a not today.
they are repeating the order, not previous order.
Why?
The CPI himself has been added in respondent in the appearing advocates list as an advocate for Harsel.
Huh? I couldn't understand.
The name of the CPI is appearing as an advocate for Harsel in the order. Dr. Modhumita Vanna is the present DPI of the.
Yes.
See, her name is appearing as the advocate for DPI. 12.
You're in 12 now.
I am in 12 for
You
the,
took a not today.
I press for a not today as on behalf of the petition.
Correct.
He's on a different stand.
No. He's saying an item number 12.
The last order, my lord.
Maybe there's some typography.
Typographical mistake. The last name, my lord.
Last
Name Dr. Modhumita Vanna.
for the DPI.
She is the DPI.
কে নিয়েছে এটা? এগুলো এখন দেখতে হয় বসে বসে। Item number 12 है। A typographical error has crept into the order of May 16, 2025, inadvertently. Stop. The concerned contender has been recorded as the advocate appearing on her behalf. So who appeared for the DPI? No one. Oh, stop. Mr. Shamanto points out such typographical error. Stop. Let the name of Mr. Jayanto Shamanto be incorporated.
But that is already there.
No.
Pastor Prasad goes to myself and
Oh, acha. Let the name of Dr. within quotes, Dr. Modhumita Manna for the DPI, West Bengal, be deleted from the order of 16th May 2025. From the order sheet of 16th May 2025. Stop. Let the matter appear in the list for further consideration on July 18, 2025. Taro.
I'm for the petition.
Lordship, item 14, I am for the added party, namely Nivarani Ghosh, led by Mr. Omar Farooq Qazi of the learned advocate for the present Pradhan Myler.
Yes.
Lordship, as per the instruction, this is handed over brief. That's why we need to get some instruction and go through the brief as well as. My lord, kindly grant me 1 week accommodation so that he will make his humble
The
respectful.
order is of 2017. So from 2017 to 2025,
Lordship, the brief is handed over.
No, that's good for
few
you.
weeks ago, my lord,
but,
kindly give me 1 week accommodation. He will make his humble submission before the honorable court, my lord. Kindly give me 1 week, 1 week time.
Yes, Mr. Chaudhary, what do you say?
My lord, on the ground of that ground, well, I can't oppose, my lord.
Next Friday,
Lordship, I'm very much grateful.
but
my lord.
better come ready. Yes. Kotoro next. Kotoro, 19-20. Next Friday. Kotoro.
A 16, my lord. 16.
You mark your presence in the first call, you'll get precedence in the second call. We'll come back. If I have time, we'll come back in the third call.
My lord, initially the contemner was served. Nobody appeared. Last occasion, your lordship asked me to serve
Yes.
upon the state, GP. That has been also
You served?
served. Yes. In spite of that, nobody is appearing.
Yes, Mr. Shengupto. Nobody is appearing for the state.
Actually, my lord, I think, my lord, somebody, I think he has been appointed.
No, nobody.
Was already final along with Mr.
Along with
Mr. Sudipal.
Mr. Shubirpal. He will go out and start abusing me right now. No, he will go out and start abusing me.
Oh, all right. But give me a copy. Hard against him, contempt.
Contempt BMOH against.
Yes.
BMOH.
Oh, district medical officer of the.
Block.
Show me the order of
Lordship.
contempt. This 4th April.
Lordship. 4th April, your lordship kindly sees second paragraph.
Yes.
Petitioner filed this present writ petition for a direction upon the respondent authority, especially the respondent number 5, block medical officer of Bahrampur, Murshidabad, to take steps to engage the petitioner for Sripur Health Sub-Center. As the petitioner's name is appearing in the serial number 1 in the panel, prepared on 11th August 2011, pursuant to the interview held on such and such. My lord, subsequently, I was asked to make an application before them, representation, that has to be decided.
Right.
My lord, I was,
Yes.
I had made an application thereafter,
Where is your application?
my lord, page 18.
Page
18. Thereafter, page 19, block medical officer of health asks the Pradhan to submit the panel. Ultimately, page 20, I was asked to appear before them for verification of my documents. Last annexure, this is the panel authenticated by the Pradhan. It was submitted before the BMOH, wherein I was top in the panel for Sripur, page 24.
24.
This is the panel. First column, Sripur Sub-Center. There are 2 posts.
Yes.
Aparna Vishwas top
Yes.
and Anjana Haldar. Anjana Haldar and Aparna Vishwas. There are 2 posts. One has been given appointment. I have been denied the appointment. Till date, I have not been given the appointment. Though this is their admitted position, I was in the panel and top in the panel. Out of 2 posts, one has been given appointment. I have not been.
Where's the contempt?
My lord, contempt is they have to take a decision.
They have taken a decision.
No, they have not.
They've taken a decision not to appoint you. Where does it say that you have to be appointed? It merely says within 6 weeks representation must be considered Opportunity of hearing must be given and an order must
And
be
to
passed.
take a decision.
Decision. So now they've
But
taken the
this
decision.
decision has not been communicated to me.
Not
What is the decision? That is the contempt.
40 at least for 47 days. Right?
Next Friday.
মুর্শিদাবাদ বহরম
Next Friday.
কপি যেন ছিল না চারবার জেরক্স করেছি আমি চারবার জেরক্স করেছি twice contemner was served and the GP has also been served আমি দিয়ে দেবো তো কোর্টকে বলছি আমি
Next Friday.
Let me order my lord should have been served and regularize the appointment.
In spite of service, comma,
affidavit of service may I say?
filed, yes, that's the second. Affidavit of service be as filed be kept in the record. Stop. In spite of service, comma, none appears on behalf of the alleged contenders. Stop. Next, at this stage, comma, Mr. Shushubhan Sengupta is requested to take up the matter on behalf of the contenders, comma, since he appears for the state authorities. Stop. Let a copy of the contempt petition be served on Mr. Sengupta
My lord, on allowing junior, I cannot.
along with Mr. Shubit Pal to enable him to assist the court. Stop. Let the matter appear in the list
An appointment may be regularized.
for the consideration on
Next week.
July 18, 2025. We connect a
Right.
line at Kurdevan. Let the appointment of Mr. Sengupta and Mr. Pal be regularized.
দিচ্ছি
Mr. Pal, what happened to those three matters? Over. Over. What happened?
এটা একটু নিয়ে
So it's not yet given. Nobody informed me.
It was 8 months extension and another it was a 6 months extension.
But at least finally, but then I had completed the submissions. Yes, 19 এটা হ্যাঁ এটা কত হলো 17 19 20
And for the contempt nothing. The court order has been
you are the
passed.
contender.
Clause.
Who's for the petitioner?
Several times they are not appearing before the clause.
Right, order complied.
Clause.
Complied.
Clause.
Compliance report.
Clause of compliance report. In the form of so cause I have affirmed, if your lordship.
You've made a show cause as a compliance report.
But your lord.
Huh?
Lordship, I have affirmed the in the form of so cause, not in the form of compliance. So this is for my.
This is something.
Your lordship.
This is something new.
Lordship, this is on the part of the mistake.
দিন দেখি শো কজ করে কিরকম কমপ্লাই করেছে
But actually, your lordship, let me submit your lordship.
Yes.
The order of the read code, 16th February 2018, your lordship. And
Was there any rule issued?
lordship regarding disciplinary proceeding, your lordship.
No, this is
Read
the-
code has directed the content bank to proceed after the remaining stages. Thereafter, read petitioner filed appeal before the appellate court, your lordship. Division bench directed the respondent bank to complete the proceeding within 6 months, 6 weeks. Thereafter, your lordship, the proceeding has been completed and
Mr. Jha, just file a proper compliance report.
Lordship,
Let this be there because I find you have also dealt with the petition. As it's more like an affidavit in opposition. But file a compliance report. I'll give you some time. Asun, how long will you take?
But your lordship, my prayer, your lordship, submission, lordship kindly dismiss the contempt application as because nothing remains.
Why?
As because when the order has been complied.
So that's why I'm saying file the compliance. Otherwise, how will I record?
Lordship.
File a proper compliance report. I'm taking this on record as your affidavit in opposition.
Lordship.
I'm directing you to file a compliance report. Tell me how long you require.
Within a week.
Tell me. 2 weeks? You file it within 2 weeks, then I'll dispose of or dismiss the contempt. Mr. None appears for the petitioner even in the second call. Stop. Stop. Mr. Jha, appearing for the alleged contemners, files an affidavit, comma, which is in the nature of an opposition to the contempt petition. Stop. Next, Mr. Jha is directed to file an affidavit of compliance, comma, since he submits that the order has already been complied with. Stop. Let such affidavit of compliance be filed within August 1, 2025. Stop. List this matter for further consideration on August 8, 2025. Yes.
But I am for the petitioner.
Yes.
But earlier I served the contempt application. Again, I have served as per my lord's direction. This is the evidence service.
Nobody is appearing.
No, my lord.
Tell me what is the order in contempt?
Page 18 is the order, my lord. The municipality was directed to allot me the shop room. Since my shop room was demolished to construct the multi-storied building, multi-storied market.
It is, sir.
And page 25 is the earlier order.
This is what the
Contempt municipality.
the order of contempt is page 25 actually.
Yes, my lord.
Page 18 is
Last order.
another, no, page 18 is your second writ petition.
Yes, my lord.
Huh? Oh, that's good.
Contempt municipality to allot the stall in the new constructed building to the petitioner within a period of 4 weeks from the date of communication of the order. Thereafter, no steps taken.
No,
Nothing.
thereafter, what did you do? You went and filed another writ petition in 2017.
Yes, ma'am.
So from 2011 to 17, what were you doing?
Well, second
What?
petition also the direction was.
Second writ petition was to execute the order of the first writ.
Yes, ma'am.
Then when was this this building completed? This newly constructed market, when was it completed?
My lord, in the year, my lord, 2016, my lord.
Huh?
2015.
2016.
Yes.
Then how could the order be passed in 2011?
Oh, no, 2017, I filed a second petition, my lord. Sorry. Regarding construction, my lord,
Huh?
construction was earlier. This is the second time, my lord, I have served a copy of the contempt application.
Our service is effective, na? You have given a date. You have, in your notice, you've given a date that it will appear on 27th of,
My lords was directed.
but 27th was a holiday.
My lords was directed to appear the matter on.
No, but 27th was a holiday, na? 27th, if you remember, was a holiday.
When the matter was called on, my lord, I appeared and you.
I remember, but 27th was later declared as a holiday. So your notice that it's to appear on the 27th June.
But on that date, my lord, your lordship asked me to.
Arey, I've understood, sir. On that day, 27th had not been declared on 17th of June. It was declared much later.
Yes.
Can you serve by next Friday?
I shall serve. As your lordship.
Shival? Next Friday, একবার একটু জিজ্ঞেস করে নিও না কার্তিককে, আমার মনে হচ্ছে একটা বেঞ্চ আছে চক্রবর্তী সাহেব। Recording anything, but you serve once more and tell them it's not be taken up on the 18th. 18th of July, next Friday, when I'm likely to sit. Yes. Twenty-one কেন ডাকছো? তো রেসপন্ড করেনি তো ফার্স্ট কল। না 31 থেকে ডাকো সেকেন্ড কল। My first call, sorry. 31 থেকে 40 of the first 44 of the first call করো, তারপরে ফেরত যাবো। 44 of the code.
32, my lord. I'm led by Mr. Dheeraj Trivedi, my lord. I'm prefer not today, my lord.
Not today.
I am appearing on behalf of the municipal.
Municipal. ঠিক আছে। Nobody for the petitioner.
34, 35, 36, 37, 38,
ডাকো না কি
I have the petition. 39.
30? Yes. All for 44.
40,
Yes. Next.
I appear for the petition.
42,
42 on the
42
respondent's matter.
42? Yes.
I'm for the respondent's matter.
43,
43, your lordship, I'm praying for a note today.
Not today.
44,
44, my lord. My lord,
Yes.
I am for the contender, my lord, taken steps, my lord, I am.
I am for the
praying
petition.
next time.
Yes, steps have taken. I also.
2 weeks, madam, will become a uncertain date. I can keep it next Friday.
Which time, my lord, school authority. said,
Friday week,
here, my
Very
lord,
well. 2 weeks.
Friday week.
Friday week, my lord.
Friday week. এবারে ফেরত চলে যাবে। না 4 থেকে। হ্যাঁ, যেগুলো যারা রেসপন্ড করেনি তাদের একটা চান্স দিতে হবে। Everybody should get a chance.
No,
4 হয়ে গেছে। হয়ে গেছে 5.
One manager is appearing, my lord. I'm praying. Two more managers is appearing for the petition. I'm praying not today.
Not today. 8. 5, 8, 10.
8, my lord.
Well, I
Yes.
Order was passed on 3rd June
Mr.
2013.
Shami Mulbari is appearing on behalf of the alleged contemptor, my lord. He is on his legs, my lord. Coming.
Today 3:30. On earlier days also same thing. Before summer vacation.
He was engaged in another court. Just now I contacted. He was engaged in another court. Just now I contacted him. He's on his legs, my lord. He's coming.
Tell me, what do I do?
Yes, sir, complying the order. Sir.
I think I'll sit on Monday, so you can take your chance on Monday.
Monday.
Next 10. Yes.
That matter. The compassionate madrasa, compassionate appointment. The direction passed for approval upon the one of the commissioner, but the madrasa is under one of the minority department.
Quiet, please. Yes.
Now that I have talked with the commissioner and the madrasa board.
Who's for the petitioner?
Yeah,
Good for you. Shival, ডাকো. This was item 10, না? তারপরে 15 থেকে 15, 16 বাকিগুলো হয়ে গেছে 15, 16, 18 ডাকতে থাকো।
This is that application. I have filed a review recalling application.
What happened?
And my lord,
Pending.
yes, because my lord, I mentioned my lord, with a notice, and my lord, the honorable judge, my lord, made an observation. It would be taken up very short. That observation, I cannot say, my lord, that fixed date was fixed.
Content matter, very old content matter.
Maybe, but
Yes, but if the order is in review, it won't be proper for me to pass any order.
at least 15 days time, 2 weeks time may be given.
Come back.
Then my lord, yes. Otherwise, my lord.
Order is under review. Rakho. Shival, 2 weeks. 31st July, next available.
May I make a submission?
1st August.
My lord, may I
Yes.
make a humble submission? My lord, if my lord passes such order,
No,
some order,
I have to sign unnecessary.
then I can.
No, I know what you'll do.
Okay.
ডাকো। এই সুশোভন থাকলেই মাথা খারাপ করতে।
Lord, I am for the petitioner.
Yes.
Lord.
But the last occasion, Lordship was pleased to ask for certain clarification, Lordship.
Affidavit of compliance, my lord, filed by the my lord contemptor, and exception was filed by me, my lord.
Yes.
Last occasion, your Lordship was pleased to ask me, my Lord, for some clarification that I have taken, Lordship. But before that, my Lord, may I humbly respectfully submit before your Lordship. Lordship, kindly come to the order, my Lord, which is under contempt, Lord, at page 22. Rather, page 21, Lordship.
Yes.
The contempt person. Considering the Lordship,
Yes.
may I, Lordship, considering the submissions advanced by the learned advocate for the parties and after paying.
I've seen.
Lordship, there is an order, my lord, for consideration in accordance with law. That we have considered in accordance with law, Lordship. Yes, my lord, that they have.
My lord, pursuant to the earlier order, my lord.
May I, Lordship.
My lord, state advocate filed report. My lord, whether he is entitled or not, my lord, kindly see the previous paragraph, my lord. My lord, pursuant to the earlier order, Mr. Milan Kumar Maiti, learned counsel for the state, has filed a report where it reveals that the executive officer, Panchayat, Puncha Panchayat Samiti, by under such and such memo, the memo, petitioner is daily rated casual contractual worker who was engaged on 1st August 1991 as Gram Panchayat Secretary of Chirudi Gram Panchayat, Panchayat to the DP Director of DP RDO, Purulia. My lord, they are admitted position that he was casual worker. Now they are
Madam,
telling that
if there's an issue regarding the veracity of his appointment or his tenure or the nature of his appointment, then I will have to go by what the Joint Secretary's report says.
kindly see the report.
Show me your report.
That's our report.
Lordship, kindly come to our affidavit in compliance filed
Yes.
by the additional alleged contempt matter.
Yes.
Lordship, we have considered in accordance with law, and it is found that since the sanction post, my lord, was not there at the time of his appointment, that is the ground of my lord rejection. That is my lord, my humble submission before your lordship in the contempt application, my lord. Since we have, my lord, considered the order under which is under contempt, my lord, and that have been rejected, that my lord, if my lord petitioner is anyhow, my lord, aggrieved, my lord, from the rejection order, they can file in every moment
My lord,
fresh
my lord, take
writ
steps
application,
to
my
grant
lord,
financial-
instead of filing the contempt application, my lord.
Financial,
Because
kindly
contempt, my lord, it is my subject to correction, my lord. It is my humble submission before lordship that since we have considered accordance with the matter,
consider is illegal
or
consideration, my
if my learned friend client is my lord
No,
aggrieved,
but the-
they can file my lord fresh
No, madam,
writ petition.
the order was not for consideration.
Lordship.
No, my lord. To take steps to grant financial benefit in favor of petitioner in terms of memo dated such and such. My lord,
Come to that paragraph. Come to that paragraph. I direct the Joint Secretary, Government of West Bengal, Department of Science, to take steps to grant financial benefit in favor of the
petitioner.
in accordance with laws within 6 weeks. So, in accordance
with law.
What?
Lordship, that is
Not
that is my lord,
consideration.
that is my lord, we have
To make the payment.
If not,
to take steps for payment, my lord, in accordance with law. My lord, that we have considered and rejected because, my lord, that sanction post was not vacant at the point of, my lord, joining of the petitioner, my lord. That is the ground of rejection.
You're taking the clock back.
And somehow, my lord, if my learned friend's client is, my lord, aggrieved, my lord, this is, my lord, absolutely, my
They are
lord.
aggrieved. That's why they're here.
No, my lord, because subject to correction, lordship, my lord.
They are very aggrieved.
She can file a fresh application, fresh writ application,
How
because
many times, madam? Just imagine their plight.
lordship.
Imagine their plight.
Because, my lord, we have, my lord, produced and we have considered the order, my lord. We have complied, my lord.
Very well. Make your submissions. I'll hear this matter then. Next, keep it on Monday.
Monday? No, Monday, Tuesday, my lord, not possible, my lord.
Why?
My lord, Monday, my lord, I will not come to court.
Why? Where are you going?
Medical checkup.
Very well. Next Friday then?
Next Friday.
Lordship, I'm led by Mr. Gali.
Bye?
Mr. Gali.
Mr. Galib. Oh, he'll come and eat my head off. No, you argue. Yes. Shukrubar, 18 তারিখ।
কিছু আছে
I get 17 lordship. I am for the alleged contempt of lordship.
17?
Possibly matters was hard lordship. But coming from the annexed building, main building.
So what? I go to the main building from here every day. And I reach on time every time. No, 17, I don't think any substantial order has been passed.
I think my name may be recorded, otherwise alleged contempt.
নামটা দিয়ে দাও 17-তে
মাঝে
Mr. Dilip Kumar Samanta is Mr. Dilip Kumar Samanta is appearing for the petitioner.
Where is
He is unable to come because
Why?
because he has gone for a checkup, health checkup. He has gone through heart surgery.
No. Not today. 21. Her disposition was very nice, but it's a good thing to see that seniors are still teaching the juniors. It's a very healthy thing in our court, and you must learn from the seniors. Yes. Yes, sir. What do you want?
Sir, we have attempted to comply.
Kindly see the last order of your lordships.
The pension has not yet been started, but PPO has been issued. It was issued. Firstly, it was issued in a wrong description, saying that he was the assistant teacher, and we have corrected it. And again,
But if PPO is issued, then the process is underway. So
yes,
it will maybe take a couple of weeks.
but if he allows, yes, definitely. He is out of pocket, I understand.
Last occasion, you kindly see my lord, last order, your lordship's order.
This is
Yes.
regard to that utilization certificate.
Last portion.
That you can see in the.
No, but he says it's underway.
Yeah.
They are
And
taking
I have also shared with Mr. Bari the copy of the PPO.
Like adjourn for a week.
within a week. হবে না বাবা এখন 1st August.
Kindly record.
What?
That PPO.
You don't understand. I have to go to the chamber and sign all of this. Ashun. I'm informed parties are represented. Mr. Dotto, appearing for the alleged contemner, informs that the process of compliance is underway and will take some time to be completed. Stop. Next, thus, list this matter for further consideration on August 1st, 2025. Mr. Dotto, I don't want to take it on record.
Let it be recorded, my lord.
The old one, the assistant teacher, it was first mentioned, now head teacher.
Thank you very much.
Without using our office, it would never have done.
I know.
And your lordship.
No, it's only your office which, that's why I said, at least, some relief. Hey, at least they'll get some relief, Mr. Dotto,
It has to.
Unless it's outrageously thing, I should be compliant.
Much of it.
Yes, thank you. 20, কত হলো?
25.
I appeal for the petitioner, mother.
Chatterjee is appealing for the state.
Eh?
Shoykot Chatterjee is appealing
Who?
for the
Shoykot Chatterjee.
Chatterjee is appealing for the state for his medical emergencies. The court.
Not today.
Next week.
Possibly I'll sit on Monday. Possibly. So
Monday.
it will retain its position in the list.
Slot.
So I'll just inform everybody. What I'm doing is I'm making a first call. All learned advocates marking their presence in the first call will get precedence in the second call, and thereafter the other matters will be. I'm trying to follow that system. Huh? Yes.
Item 26, man, can you take it on next Friday, man?
Next Friday.
Man,
ঠিক আছে, not today.
next Friday.
Yes.
Run for the petition. My lord, can you recollect, my lord, this matter, my lord,
Can't recollect. Refresh my memory.
Absolutely, my lord. I'm sorry, my lord. So here, my lord, the petitioners before your lordships, where, my lord, the employees of the IIT. So, my lord, they were given regularization or they were taken into the service in 2007, and subsequently the similarly situated other incumbents have been given effect
of that particular service from 2003. I came before this honorable court that we should be treated at par. So this honorable court was pleased to direct, yes, they have to be treated at par, and accordingly the direction was of this honorable court, so that we may be regarded to be there in the service from 2003, 1, and 2, that we should be granted with all the benefits that they are getting, the private respondents.
Notionally or actually?
Notionally. So that will do. So here, my lord, if I can just use this word, my lord, they have been showing us the lollipop that they are going to comply with this order.
Carrot. Yes, madam. You've been showing the carrot, the lollipop.
Your Lordship, on last occasion, you directed us, we were directed to file an affidavit.
Compliance.
Yes, further compliance. So this is the compliance.
You want to use an exception?
I'll do that, my lord. May I just get a copy?
Has it been served on you?
May I just get a copy?
Sir,
Served.
Thank you.
Yes, Ashun. Miss Jimo appears for the Jimo, Jimo. Right, correct. Am I spelling it correctly? Appears for the alleged contemners. Stop. Stop. She files an affidavit of compliance, pursuant to the order of April 8, 2025.
My lord, it would be a supplementary affidavit.
Yes.
Supplementary affidavit. The earlier affidavit of compliance.
They say that they have earlier filed a compliance. This is supplementary affidavit to the compliance.
Files a supplementary affidavit to the affidavit of compliance already filed. Stop. Mr. Agarwal intends to use an exception to such. Have you used an exception to the main compliance report?
My lord, I'll just use the exception, both of them together.
Mr. Agarwal seeks leave to file a comprehensive exception to the affidavit of compliance and the supplementary affidavit there. Stop. Let such exception be filed within. How long will you take, Mr. Agarwal?
2 weeks.
Within August 1st, 2025. Stop. Next, let this matter appear in the list on August 8, 2025 for further consideration.
Great.
8.
Grateful.
For further consideration.
Grateful. My lord, here Mr. Pranay Agarwal is appearing for the alleged contempt. So I am Ujjwal Rai appearing for the
Oh, I'm so sorry.
No problem.
So sorry. Mr. Roy.
Great.
Mr. Agarwal is there, Mr. Roy. May
I take a lordship?
Yes. What? Which is your matter? 5 was called last year. $28 তো হয়ে গেছে not. Yes. This is yours is item 30?
Yes, madam.
30?
31.
31, yes. Yes.
I serve the copy upon the contempt.
Contemptor.
So your lordship was the 16/6 because your lordship was the past direction asking to serve the copy of the Buddha. Well, I have served the copy of the Buddha. But can you see? 16/6.
Yes. Yes, and
I served the notice of Buddha.
to whom?
Buddha.
Pradhan.
Yes.
You filed a affidavit of service. No, what is this? File an affidavit of service.
Only Monday,
Monday. Let me issue the rule. Otherwise, they won't come.
Yes.
But you file that affidavit of service.
Yes.
Monday. Huh? Monday, সোমবার হ্যাঁ না কিছু কর দরকার yes 33
I am for the petitioner, my lord.
Yes.
I am appearing for alleged contempt number 3. This is my affidavit of service, my lord.
Your exuberance, I thought you'd say, I've complied with the order.
No,
You're
no.
pushing everybody who's come to the front. I thought you'd say, I've complied with the order. I was so happy.
But I think for the alleged contender number
The affidavit serviceman, my lord, I am holding the brief on behalf of Mrs. Appearing on behalf of the municipal. What happened? My lord, the new incumbent has already come. The new chairman has been. And also.
Use the microphone. You're very soft. You're softer than me.
Well, a new incumbent has come, my lord. I do not know, my lord, whether the new incumbent has been name of the incumbent has been the name of the new incumbent.
You don't have a copy of the petition?
I have come. No, I have, my lord. I have, but in this petition,
Yes,
my
Mr.
lord,
Mondal, have you implemented the new incumbent?
it is not incorporated. I think, my lord, because my lord, in my copy there is new incumbent. You have served the notice in the name of the new incumbent, but my lord. Indrajit Gupta, sorry, Indrajit Dhar, new chairman.
I have already.
But my lord, that copy was not served upon us.
You have served on the new, but
No,
have
no,
you
my lord.
implemented the new
This is my copy, my lord.
Yeah, after implementing, kindly see my lord.
What is the name of the new incumbent?
Mr. Indrajit Dhar, the chairman. Indrajit Dhar, chairman.
He's implemented.
But in my copy, it
doesn't matter. Those are minor issues.
Then, my lord,
Correct. One has also been done. Khalil Ahmed.
and number 2 has also been amended.
Yes, ma'am. Last one,
That was amended.
Manoj Pant has been, Dr. Manoj Pant has been implemented.
No.
Then?
So what one?
Yes, what one is the last
No,
one?
not in my copy. Not in my copy. My copy shows Dr. Manoj Pant. The parties are represented. An affidavit of service has also been filed. Mr. Mondal, appearing for the petitioner, seeks leave to implead the present incumbent to the post of Finance Secretary, the respondent number 2, as well as the chairman, Murshidabad Municipality, the respondent number 4. Stop. Leave is granted to Mr. Mondal to make such impleadments. Stop. Next, let the matter appear in the list on July 18, 2025 for further consideration. So, opore likhe deben affidavit bollam na, affidavit of service. Why? Yes. I just said Finance Secretary.
No, Finance Secretary is containment number 2, my lord.
Oh, sorry.
Finance is
1. Huh? No. No, I was looking at the cost title at page 5 because you are looking at the cost title of the writ petition. This is the cost title of the contempt petition.
Yes, contempt. Yes. That is the correct page.
So
This is the correct.
did I not say 1? 1 has also changed.
Yes.
Oh, তাহলে ওখানে করে দেবেন যেখানে প্রিন্সিপাল সেক্রেটারি ফিনান্স করেছেন
আপনি আমাকে
ফাইন্যান্স সেক্রেটারি বলি ওটা তার এটা তার আগে যাবে the principal secretary, Department of Urban Development and Municipal Affairs. তারপরে যেরকম আছে ফাইন্যান্স সেক্রেটারি আর ওই মুর্শিদাবাদের চেয়ারম্যান one. Principal Secretary, Department of Urban, being the respondent number 1. Next, আচ্ছা ওটা বললাম তো, let the matter appear on the list for further consideration. Next Friday.
Also say my
34 to 38. So it will be the same.
I have no instruction, my lord. No, I have no instructions.
Huh?
Whether copy is served or
It's served.
I will take instruction.
34 to 38. I'm not passing any order because same.
On that day.
Yes, all on Friday. Next Friday, that is.
Obliged.
Yes. Which one is yours?
Monday to item 100 for the petitioner and for the respondent.
Yes.
Only thing is this, I want to file a supplementary affidavit to comply because of his receiving the contempt petition, I have complied the file the affidavit of compliance. Therefore, I want to file a supplementary affidavit.
Then why do you need a supplementary? If you have
No,
already-
I have.
But we had filed an exception to that. Now, pursuant to that, they want to
No,
reply.
not that. But before receiving the contempt application, I have filed the contempt.
But
Affidavit
he's
of
trying to
compliance.
use a opposition to my contempt application. That's the whole
But
point.
I have filed the compliance report before filing his contempt.
Where did you file the compliance?
Well, your lordship's direction was to serve me the contempt application by a certain time.
Right.
But he didn't file.
For service, you
Before
filed
service,
the.
I have filed the compliance. That's not your lordship.
Ashun, 42, all parties are here for 42.
But-
Because since I'm taking it out of turn, parties are represented.
Right away.
No, no, for the Friday week.
So Mr. Chattopadhyay, file a opposition to the contempt then.
Opposition to the contempt.
And I'll reply.
Mr. Chattopadhyay seeks leave to file an opposition to the contempt petition. Stop. Let such opposition be filed by
But 10 days.
August 1, 2025, comma, reply if any, comma, thereto, comma, by August 8th, 2025. Let the matter appear in the list for further consideration on August 12th, 2025.
I'm grateful to you.
Grateful.
I'm grateful to you.
Monday, your lordship will be.
Yes, Mr. Lady.
Monday, your lordship.
I think so. If the OBC matter is taken up in that court, all depends on how that court.
Primary.
On Monday.
Yes.
I thought the OBC matters fixed the
Second of primary.
Oh. Then all the matters that I've kept today for Friday will for Monday will be taken up. No, thank you, because I was under the impression that the OBC matter will be taken up in the
I
second.
thought there has been any change of schedule there. We would have been relieved.
No, maybe
of
I
the weekend.
maybe I had no. Let's see if I revise it.
Before rising, item number 39.
Hopefully, I'm rising. Yes.
Item number 39,
39. Yes.
Yes, my lord. Pursuant to your lordship's direction, my lord, they have processed the file, my lord. But they told that, my lord, unless the file is given to the register, they cannot
File is?
process. Unless the contempt file go to the register, my lord, they cannot process the
This
file.
is
But
that money
that
out
matter,
of
my
the
lord,
registrars.
24 lakhs something
Yes.
amounts, my lord. My lord, the file has to be sent.
No,
to
do I
the
need to
register.
pass a formal order for that? Not required. Party के लिए तो है. Order लग गई.
Yes, my lord. 39.
দাও
পুরো এন্টার ফাইলটাই চাইছে ওরা কন্টেম্পট রিডটা পাঠালো হবে
ফাইলটা দাও. Ashun. Parties are represented. Stop. It has been informed by Mr. Imtiazuddin that compliance of the order of 16th June 2025 is somewhat stalled as the file pertaining to the matter could not be sent to the office of the Registrar General. But you want the writ petition file or the contempt or the entire bunch?
Entire file.
Let the file pertaining to WPA 521 of 2015 and CPAN 1297 of 2023 be sent to the Office of the Learned Registrar General for compliance in terms of the order dated 16th June 2025. Stop. Yes. Mention. Wait, Mr. Banerjee is waiting there. I've promised him I'll take up item 40. Yes. No, tell me. Sir, let me just finish with 40. I'll take up 41. I'll take up 41. Let me just finish Mr. Banerjee because I had promised him I'll take it up. No, but Mr. Banerjee, not to be mentioned.
No,
Let
Lordship
it-
need
let it-
not to. Just I was just going through the file.
Yes.
There's one hurdle out here. Wow. Appeal we have survived. There's one liner. Lordship, can you have a look? Lordship need not to. At present. I was just going through the order. Appeal has been thrashed, undoubtedly. But there's one liner. Lordship, have a look.
Oh, the time to comply.
Yes. That is the reason why Lordship need not to touch at this present moment. Let it written. Let it written.
Let it go out of the list.
No. Let it written. That is the only blessing. That is the reason why I didn't press.
No.
And, there is an order to comply peremptorily. Nothing other things. In fact, the appeal has been thrashed out and out, Lordship.
I understand.
And suppose this has not been touched as yet.
No, but 8 weeks will take us to middle of September.
I'm not pressing it. That is the reason I'm not pressing it. I mentioned it. Subsequently, I checked up the file.
You're not getting my point. You see, suppose you're not there sometime and the matter's called.
Lord-
I dismiss. Let
No,
the matter.
somebody will
Let
be
the matter go out of the.
No, sure, Lordship. Otherwise, I would not have mentioned.
You mentioned.
No, I checked up the subsequent. I told that is the reason. I checked up the order. That is the one liner.
Correct. So you mentioned the matter.
Lordship written, and Lordship need not to touch. Lordship
No,
not
how
passing
will
a formal order at this present moment.
মুশকিল ওরা ওখানে পারা যায় না মাথা
No,
খারাপ করে দেবে।
that will give us more trouble.
You want me to become like you, hairless.
you can't be. Even if you attempt to.
It's receding very quickly.
Let it written.
Your lordship has been pleased to pass certain orders in item number 39, my lord. I am for the alleged contentness. Mr. Ahmed, yes, Mr. Ahmed is appearing on behalf of the applicant.
Yes.
So, my lord, your lordship has been pleased to direct that the file should be sent before the register.
You want your name to be included, please give it.
My lord,
End of the matter.
No, my lord.
খালি
Only
আছে।
thing my prejudice is
Nothing, there's no this is all that you wanted. This is all that you wanted. I have noted. ওনার নামটা ঢুকিয়ে দাও তো পাগল করে দেবে। Yes, sir. Yes, tell me.
Neither the order has been completely dispatched service of copy of the content of terms of the order passed by this court, nor they are actually appearing before the Honorable Chief Justice Court since the appeal is pending and is in the list.
So what?
Until and unless is the content.
No, but appeal is pending, you said. Appeal is pending.
Appeal is pending. Section 5 application, my lord. I filed my affidavit proposition in compliance with the jurisdiction. Till today, they have not filed the affidavit. Till today.
Oh, but that is not my jurisdiction.
But no stay order. Till today, no stay order.
Maybe.
But just one after another.
No, I get your point, but it's a bit embarrassing for the contempt court to pass any orders once the appeal is pending. I understand there's no stay. Then very well.
The contents of the appeal, section 5 application.
Very well.
What is their contention?
Very well.
Fine. It will retain in the list.
নিয়ে নাও কি হলো আমার 128 হ্যাঁ কি চাই you mentioned this matter what happened ও অন্যায় করে কেন ম্যাটার অ্যাপিয়ার করছে খুব অন্যায় করে দিয়ে দাও Madam, since I don't sit regularly, if I fix a date, রেখে দাও নিয়ে নাও next Friday করে তো উপরে করে দিও তাই তুমি 128 লিস্টে আছে 128 একটু ওপরে করে দিও আর কি করবো পাগল করে দেবে না নো ফিক্সিং ইন মাই কোড
লর্ডশিপ আমার বাবা খুবই অসুস্থ লর্ডশিপ।
এই তো করে দিয়েছি পরের দিন হয়ে যাবে 128
হ্যাঁ
পরের দিন হয়ে যাবে
খুবই অসুস্থ তিনি।
Lordship,